doing that job, or there is no fancy in doing that job, unless and until we're doing some social cause or some environmental cause. Again, if you're an entrepreneur, you need to think, you can't love your product. I'm telling you the truth, you can't love your product. You need to love the business. There has been 100 failures in the people who are doing it, because they want to. Apple, take the example of Apple. Apple ka first model, second model, third model, 13th model. If Apple wouldn't have done those many innovations, if Apple iPhone 4 ke baad hi, if they would have thought that yes, this is the best product of us, do you think that we would have got this kind of iPhones or iPads or what not in the world? No, we can't. So and they are reaping what not benefit. We won't there is a certain class of people who are going to buy iPhone no matter what is the cost, no matter what is it. And yes, you feel the charm. Yes. So it's a very entrepreneurial mind which is there. Along with the innovation, there is huge profit which you're going to get from that. Psychologist kind of definition: when you have certain power, a will of doing something, you have a desire to obtain. No entrepreneur can work unless and until they have the passion to do that. See, every job requires a passion. If you feel that you have to drag to the place where you're going daily, you will not be doing justice to yourself and to the people who are in touch with you. So you need to have a passion for that. And psychologists believe that when it is driven by some certain behavioral aspects of yourself, a power to win, we'll talk about it in the later side, then it's a psychological definition where profit comes at a later stage, sociologist definition. Again, if I talk about the sociologist kind of definition, if I'm saying that I'm doing something which is called nature perspective from the environmental perspective, but yes, it is benefiting profit from that. If we say that we are reusing the waste for even manure selling, Nitin Gadkari has once said, you can earn money, profit even from the waste which is generated in the society. And I'm telling you, dear students, yes, you definitely can do that. E-waste management, e-waste management is something in which the leftovers from the electronics, so phones we throw away, the CDs we throw away, and we get handsome money from that. So we are doing a cause for the nation. We are going a cause for the environment by saving the environment, by not throwing those CDs and those places. And yes, we are reaping benefits out of it. And yes, all of you who are management students who will be taught various management aspects of yourselves about the vision and the generation, you're going to do a justice size of it. See, an entrepreneur, I have a passion to do something, but passion won't lead me anywhere unless and until it is very much under attuned, it is very much molded by certain other guiding factors as well. Passion very important, but profit more important. Only passion, I have a passion. Yes, mountaineering is a passion for me, but that can't be called entrepreneurship for me. But yes, after mountaineering, after having my passion, if I am teaching other students how to do that mountaineering and I'm earning profit out of it, yes, my passion, my psychologist thing, and yes, I have earned profit out of it. So I can do, and people are doing that. I'm telling you, people have done that. I myself have attended a seminar in which one person, now that person has a very big history because he was from an armed forces. He has an amputated leg, and with one leg he has been to the highest mountain peaks. So, and then he talked about it, and he won in the I think you all are aware about the project management conferences which is happening. And in that project management conference, he won the first award because he talked about that. And see, he has made his passion and he has made entrepreneurship out of it. But you need to learn, आपके passion को आप कैसे करोगे, that you need to. So now if we say that entrepreneurial, yes. So if I say that land, capital, labor, and entrepreneurship, they all need to gel together. If I say Dhirubhai Ambani, if I say the Mittals, if I say Larsen & Toubro as an example, then they have a proper amalgamation of everything. If I say that see, I won't be criticizing, but if I'm saying that yes, in the Ambanis, the two brothers were given equal portfolios, right? One has reaped great benefits out of it, and the other has not reaped that much good benefited out of it. But the kind of portfolios that they were given, communication or even petrol stations, all of them could have reaped the benefits. So you need to have those management skills, those leadership skills, plus those analytical skills, proper use of land as well as labor and capital. If you're doing a capital intensive kind of entrepreneurship under you, many of you would have certain kind of benefits from the you maybe second generation of entrepreneurs from your organization. Maybe you're doing some manufacturing unit, maybe some those ornamental things. So you are second generation. So whatever is gifted to you, I think you should be blessed by it, that a foundation again has been laid to you, but take judicious use of it. Then it means alertness towards profit and opportunities. Yes, ma'am has taken a very good name, that venture capitalist. Venture capitalist, what do they see? They like you is one thing, but what do they want? Why do we do anything in our lives? We want to generate profit. So unless and until the numbers speak, the passion, the correct innovation should be there. But yes, you need to have a proper business plan for it. You need to have a proper numbers for it. Yes, this is the break-even analysis. Maybe you'll read later on, as some of you, those who have the economics background, know about it. So this is an economic definition out of it, in which we increase the per capita income of the company, or we increase the per capita income of the country as a whole. And yes, why India has 100 unicorns, 100 unicorns. What is unicorn? We'll talk about it. But yes, we are providing employment. These, if you're working in an MNC also, those MNCs are providing employment. Even if it's a very small business for you, if it's a dairy business, you have employed 3 people at your place. You have employed one vendor who is going from place to place. So yes, you give out employment to 4 to 5 people. You are eradicating poverty. I'm sorry, not property. And you are doing so much for the country as a whole. And there'll be a regional development of your place. The charm of an entrepreneur are many. And these are one of the things. You feel very best blessed that yes, I am able to dedicate or give back to the society what the society has done to me. And then we talk about what Computer has said, that you have a will to power, will to conquer, and will to have a private kingdom. When I thought about NutriMunchi, I had a very, it's my example. It could be anyone else also, whatever product is in your mind or whatever innovation is in your mind. I wanted to do something maybe, which is related to healthy snacks only. So it was my thought process that I want to do something healthy. So whatever you are responsible for, you can make anything. Jeff Bezos, he had an idea of that. Maybe, Mark Zuckerberg, he had an idea. It's their kingdom, what they want to do. Kingdom doesn't mean mujhe acha lagta hai, so I'll be able to sell. Selling is another part. Okay. Kingdom is the first thing that comes to your mind, or is the will to power, and that will to power against the capacity of social opposition also. I was earning very good when I left my job and started doing this entrepreneurship work, I'm telling you. And I got a lot of opposition also from the people who were near to me. Why am I doing this? I had a stable job, I had a stable lifestyle. So why am I doing this at all? That's a very so some of you who plan to do entrepreneurship now itself, or maybe after 5 years, when you have a background for yourself, when you have a stable when you have certain experience in the management, in the operations, because anything can't come without operation. You have to be a leader as well. You need to lead a team. Nothing can be grand or nothing can be scaled up unless and until you have a team, right? Here you have a team of teachers, somewhere we have a team of players, somewhere we have a team of laborers, somewhere we have a team of management. So you need to be the leader of that. So along with the will to power, you need to have the capacity to first of all prove yourself right. Okay, these will be some of the challenges which are coming to you as an entrepreneur. But yes, and you need to have that energy. You need to have that continuous energy. 3 years back, I had energy. Yes, sometimes I succeed, sometimes I fail. I produce a new product. I give it to the to the people. I may like one flavor the most, and then 5 people would have rejected it. So I have a social a social stigma. Okay, my product is getting not accepted by the people. I may my moral gets down, and I may even stop it, or I may redo it. It totally depends. So psychological theory is also very important along with the economics theory. The psychological aspect of it is very important. Social theory, as I said, social mission. The example that I gave to all of you of e-waste. Recently, we have people who have biodegradable kind of cutlery sets which are being used, or those sanitary pads which are being used. So all these are social causes which people are doing it, and minded they're earning. Again, that's why I said if you have right entrepreneurial strategies, you're definitely going to get profit out of it. So it all depends which field do you want to do. If I want to do something for the mental problems that are coming up because of the recent COVID thing, in which we all have lockdown, we all are social animals. So human interaction or human nature or human touch is very important for all of us. So even the parents having some of the problem, kids are having the problem, social cause. Psychologically, I want to do it, but yes, to bring doctors on a platform, to bring mental patients at a platform, to bring the yoga therapists, to bring the breathing the people at the one platform will be difficult. But yes, if I need to do it, I need to have the will, I need to have the profit margins with in front of me, and I need to have accumulation of all these things. So if I say I have a creativity inside me, creativity is ambiguity as well. I'm telling you, dear students, creativity is ambiguity as well. Okay, I like to, paint something. I want to paint, I want to sell my painting. One of my friend is doing that, so I'm telling it. So, but she was very ambiguous. Should I do only, paintings which are related to the, ancient India? Should I do painting only related to the nature? So we need to be very specific. Even you, I think all of you will be on Instagram. So Instagram, mein many people are creating content these days, or many people are coaching these days. What should be the content of it? It's a very ambiguous thing. Again, I'm telling you. So you need to be having, and it's between uncertainty and ambiguity. If I do this, I may get it. If I do that, I may get it. So my team is going to tell me what is team. The team may be a very small sample size that I take in the beginning. Okay, my team is, I need to teach the students about the entrepreneurship concept in the beginning. Okay, now they'll be at various levels. Someone would have done, many students start doing it. I had a few. Well, you are very young, and many people started very young. So you will have certain background of it. So ambiguity needs to be clear in your mind. What do you want to do? And business plan. I'll make notes out of it, whatever business plan content I'm teaching to you, because those business plan content are very important if you present to anyone your own business. Maybe you'll be taught in course of time as well. That will take towards the end. So take out your pen copies. I'll tell you that, and those content are very important. So your creativity comes in content, the relation with your business plan. And then, so you have a proper resource. As I said, land hai, labor hai, manpower hai. How do you use it? If even it's a small dispensary, if a fruit shop, let us take a very small example, a fruit shop. Okay, I need to open a fruit shop near my place, and people are earning, or leave Country Delight example. Country Delight, I need to give the A2 kind of milk, or I need to give the fresh cow milk. Country Delight is really doing wonderful job. So what have they done? They have taken the milk from a certain place. Third party manufacturer it is called. They have bottled in their own containers, and they have put it in a refrigerated pack, and they do door to door selling. In a society, maybe they have taken 100 people which are their loyal customers. For that, what do they do? Nobody knew Country Delight 2 years back. What are they doing now? Now they'll be organizing various kinds of activities over there. They'll talk to the RWAs. Okay, RWA will conduct a painting competition over there. Those who win the painting competition among the kids are going to get 1 month free of milk. Now, the ladies know about it, the kids know about it, and they're very enthusiastic about it. They have used certain resources. They have used the virtual platform, first of all, to conduct. Nobody will go right now to conduct the exam. No, to conduct that painting competition. They'll go there. The students will, the kids will upload their pictures, and they'll be using that. They are doing free sampling also, but that creates, creates the business out of it. So you can think on it. Any commodity is sold like it in a very, but the leadership would have thought about it. Abhi, there are 100 kind of milk producers over there. Why the other dairies are not able to do that? A milkman come to our place, but is he able to build a brand? No, he's not. And he gives 50% more purer milk than any Country Delight would give you, because I've seen the factory where I'm not criticizing Country Delight. I'm just telling you the kind of milk that comes to our home may be purer, but the person may not have the analytical skills. The person is not having the leadership skills. And so he or she is not able to produce that brand. So proper amalgamation of the opportunities, of the resources and team. Opportunity is a very, very important word, students, which you need to remember. Anything can be an opportunity, anything. Weight loss is a very big concept in India these days. Mental stability is a very big point in India these days. Again, content creation is a very big. Waste generation. And then if you can do anything on the SAS, SAS, if you can do anything on it, nothing like that. You need to see the opportunities. Shraddha Sharma, I don't know how many of you hear to her. She doesn't have anything. She's not using any, except for the place where she's having her office setup, a Wi-Fi and a computer. And she's the second most successful entrepreneur of our country these days, because she's having a lens, she's an eloquent speaker, and she's bringing the entrepreneurs on one platform. Please do read about her, Shraddha Sharma. If you've not read it, read it. So I'm just telling you the uncertainties and the ambiguities which you have in your mind. Please try to formalize them, formulate them, take a guidance, have a mentor, put it in your paper, write it down again and again, do some iteration so that you have a business plan kind of thing. What are the contents of a business plan? I'll tell you later. And then try to, reinforce it with the resources which are available to you and with the correct leadership. And no one can stop you. I'm telling you, no one can stop you if you really follow all these things. I said this earlier as well. Entrepreneurship is not only about startups. In fact, many people, many veterans whom we hear say that startup is very much used these days. But entrepreneurship can come anywhere. Even a fruit vendor will have even a tobacco seller will have an entrepreneurship. We'll have to do certain kind of entrepreneurship, if not all, not at all the stages, but yes, at certain ages, at certain stages, that the fast growing firms, they will be doing it. Old and new firms, they will be doing it. So even if you join some organization, you can be an intrapreneur there. What is an intrapreneur? We'll talk about it. But we have another point which is there, which is called intrapreneur, in which in a set environment you are given some tasks, and then you provide your ideas. The risk is less over there. Entrepreneurship, the main factor is risk. So if I say what are the kinds of entrepreneurs which are there, one is an innovative entrepreneur, which ma'am has also talked about, and that who discovers a totally new thing which is there in the market. iPhone, when it came in the market, it was a totally new thing. Zomato, what it did was a totally new thing. Byju's, what they have started from a place was totally a new thing at that time, right? It has the maximum risk. This business kind will have the maximum risk because the business itself evolves in the process. As you are doing it, you will know the challenges, right? The one who would have done, the one who's the pioneer, and they get the first mover advantage. So this is the best kind of entrepreneurship you can do. You're an innovative entrepreneur. Think. You need to calm your mind. The screen time also is often said to, it is a bane and a boon to you. So if you start your day with a screen and you have 100 things, it is going to block your mind. So first of all, do that. I'm telling you, do that. Write down 5 things, creative things that comes to your mind. And then, over the day, you can process it. Maybe next day you think and analyze them, study them. Depending on the news, on the things which are happening in the society. Innovative entrepreneur are the one who can get the best benefit out of it. But yes, they need to evolve themselves, the business process, and discover totally new things. Imitative kind of entrepreneur. No, now if I say even healthy snacks will be an imitative kind of entrepreneurship, because there is not only Nutrimunchi, Cornetos is also doing it. Doritos is also doing it. Maybe Haldiram's is also doing it. But yes, the kind of product which is there, the content percentage may be innovative over there, but it's an FMCG market, right? And an FMCG market, yes. Now D2C, direct to customer, will be an innovative kind of thing. It will not be an imitative. The first person who would have started this, that will be the pioneer in it, will be innovative. But yes, now 10 other people, Mamaearth is doing innovative because they have the products which are for the kids. But there are imitative kind of entrepreneurship because already there are kids product. How it is innovative? Because they are doing it direct to the customer. Direct to the customer is I think you all know now from their websites, from Amazon, from various other fields, that can be seen. They're copying entrepreneurs, the risk is reduced, and you can always learn from them. See, it is not wrong to learn from anyone, I'm telling you. Somebody would have done the first thing, right? And you can always do that. So depending on your capacity of risk, depending on the capital you have, depending on your very nature, how much risk appetite a person, I also say, and I've read it in very many business programs, I'm not lying to you. Even if you're doing a 9 to 5 job, you're earning a handsome salary. And even if you're sustaining your life, your family's life, it is never wrong. Go for entrepreneurship only if you would like to do something extra, but don't compare entrepreneurship with self-employment. I'm telling you, self-employment. What is self-employment? Self-employment is when you are employing yourself. I'm going to my office. I'm not earning any profit. I'm just thinking that, yes, I'm doing anything. You will come to realize it when you're actually into entrepreneurship, but there are many entrepreneurs who have self-employed themselves and they are under huge burdens of, money also, because we're in that community. So we know about it. So even if you're doing a 9 to 5 job and earning a handsome salary, and then later on you do that, Ma'am, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I have put two questions in the chat box. It can be a bit interactive, more interactive.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, ma'am. Please have a look and.
Yeah. So should I talk about them?
Yeah, ma'am. Because
Yeah.
while hearing your
Yeah. I
discussion,
was.
these
I'm so sorry. I couldn't see that. So,
not an issue, ma'am.
are these okay? Put your questions in the chat box. So, are these the heights, or really these are the opportunities? Very good. This is for
Mention
you.
about few, yeah, few, few,
Yeah. So I'm telling you one thing. See, not everything comes. We have heard about. I'll tell you a startup bubble these days. You know that many people are getting fundraisings from the venture capitalists from there. Yes, 75% of it is correct. I'm telling you, 75% of it is correct, but it will not come from LinkedIn or from the what do I call, the emails or the Instagram that are going to shoot. Is not going to come from there. You need to have proper networking of them. There are various stages of this as well. One is seed funding. Okay, what is a seed funding? If I talk about the seed funding, when you want to start something, okay, I want to start a business, but I have certain capital which is of my own, right? I want an investor to invest in myself because I don't want to use that money. But for that investment, what do I need to get? I need to shred some part of my equity. Equity means what? I am the 100% owner, so maybe 70-25% I give it to someone else. As the business grows, the business owner will have less and less control over the business. That's why I said the dynasty can be your in the beginning. So all of them, if I say that yes, Zomato is having, there are how many IPOs are launched in the country. You all know that 5 or 6 IPOs have been launched, and all of them are under 100xbc.com, which is with Mr. Sanjay Mehta, and he's doing a great job. So yes, it is happening. 75% of happening it correctly. But I'll tell you one more thing, that there are certain losses which are happening over there. Not all of it is very profitable. Even L'Oreal, which all of us use, 50% of L'Oreal business have gone down. Now, why so? Because the liquidity in the nation is less, right? Now, money is what, currency is what, it's flowing, right? But it never stops. India is at a better position at some of the countries. Now, this is the second question. Many of the companies should do other countries with liberal policies. Yes, they did that. But you would also, appreciate the fact that many of the investments are happening in our countries also. Many of our friends, many of my friends, in fact, have got VC funding from US, UK. Agar aap log, if you follow Twitter on startups and all, so all those countries are, investing in India. Why they're doing so? Now, after the education ban policy of China, India is again a very good platform for US or UK. So it's liberal policies are there, and in fact, one of my friends from US has appreciated me. I'm telling you, because the laws in our country are really, really tough. For one license, we have to go to 10 people. My food license, I have to go to 10 people. My renewal everything, I need to go to 10 people. But after that, India is a very big market. The plus point of India is we have a market for anything and everything. Education, we have the best of the youth, which are growing. We are good food eaters. We are foodholic. So we eat. Then if I talk about the rich people here, the gap is bad. The rich and the poor gap is bad in India, but we have good amount of capital which is there. So India still have a very good opportunity. I'm telling you, 2020, whatever investment have happened this year, we have surpassed twice of it. So अगर 66 में companies में investment हुए थे, now 122 से above investments. So, and this has happened in 9 months itself, right? So this is again a very good factor for us. But again, there is a certain time of it. After 2 months, maybe it is going to, we need to stabilize over it. And it always takes time. It will not, one Beju is there, no. Now Beju is taking concurrence over other countries also. I don't know whether you're aware or not, but Beju is taking the educational institution of the other countries also, right? So now, if I try to imitate Beju, but there are 150 other also who have made it like Bejus, one MP girl is doing, some other girl is doing, they will have their own set of profit, but we don't know whether they are going to be the IPOs or not. The ultimate aim is to have IPOs. Why do we need IPOs? Because us samay, you are going to have the investment from the general mass. IPO may, even if it's a loss, Zomato story is there. I think I'll take it towards the end. Zomato was under 4,600 crore losses. But now when after the IPO has been launched, now it is with millions of people. So जो वो 6,600 crore का loss था, जो early investor ने करा था, या फिर जो early startups का था, now it is with so many million of people. So it has reduced it, and even it has a good valuation over there. So if you do it that way, but you need to have that sustenance in your mind if you need to grow to that IPO level. Okay, I hope I answered. I answered your this thing now.
Yes, ma'am.
Entrepreneurship
Please
involves
proceed.
employment for others too. Yes, Harshit. Very. I'm telling you, even if you have a very small manufacturing unit of cookies. Now, cookies is a very small thing, but yes, cookies are so much in demand. Even when if you are from Delhi, even you can see vendors on those on roadside also was selling cookies. But if you have a small plant of 10 lakh or 15 lakhs in which you're setting up a cookie, and then you create a brand out of it. I'm telling you, entrepreneurship should be in your mind, but creating a brand as well. Because, the milkman, as I gave the example, the country delight, creating a brand should be in your mind. Even if you're producing cakes, yes, use a pilot point, use a one point in which you do your test project, taste it, and then try to give it to maximum people. If it's done there, you can replicate the same thing. Okay, NutriMunchie, I'll give you the example. I started in Noida. Okay, I started in Noida. I gave it to the educational institutions. I gave it to corporate sectors, and Noida, Delhi, NCR, I did good. So the same process I replicated. I had a third-party manufacturing unit. I tried to do snacks. I tried to do then fox nuts. People liked it. So start small if you have small capital, and after that you can replicate the same thing. I'm not saying don't jump to the whole thing, but if you're starting, if you're small, you're first timer, do that and learn from the mistakes that you're done. Now again, many hope I've answered Harshit's question as well, that you provide the opportunities. I mean good that way we are doing it, right? So I'm telling you one more example, that many people said that COVID has come, right? Now yes, Deepa.
Ma'am, another question is Q&A. What is the basic research we need to do to start a business? Is it will be the necessary to be self-employed before startup?
No, it is not necessary to be self-employed, but it is very much necessary to have proper data on what are you going to start. Self-employment is not important, but data is very important. First important thing is data. Okay, I want to start NutriMunchie, but I should know now what is the, see, whenever you start a business, you have a final goal. I'm telling you, picture na end se start hoti hai yahan pe. We start the movie from the end. How many people consume healthy food? How many people are available in your market area? Right? First of all, you should doing that. If there are, see, if I go and we are a very dynamic country. If I talk about the domestic market, if I talk about the international market, it's a dynamic thing again. If I talk about, say, Rajasthan has a complete different eating habits than, say, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand will have a complete different eating habits from, say, West Bengal. West Bengal will have a different eating habits from, say, Chennai. So data, if I'm not having my correct data, anything is suicidal. Self-employment or employment in another company is very much is very much alike, or even if you are a first timer, but you need to understand, because see, everything is a risk. Some kind of employment will always be helpful to you because you know how to deal with people. See, entrepreneurship is also dealing with people. You will have certain seniors which you will be employing to you, because you will not be knowing everything, right? See, I have a person who's having 25 years of experience in the marketing sector. I may not be from the marketing background, right? But 25 years, so he's very much senior to me. I must know how to, saying my point should not be offensive to him at any point of time. And at the same time, I should get the due guidance. So that is also important. So some kind of employment will help you, no doubt, but you have mentors. There are many mentors which people do that. And so keep yourself updated is one thing. Have a proper data is another thing. Do proper research is very important. Any field you enter into, proper research. And so whenever you read something, take out the important things out of it. Under 30 kitne entrepreneurs hai, under 40 kitne entrepreneurs hai. Is field mein kitni zyada opportunities hai. Education is one field which is never going to stop. Food is one thing which is never going to stop. Technology is one thing which is never going to stop. I hope I answered your question, Supriya. Okay. So now there are Fabian kind of entrepreneur. This will help you again. So you can be an imitative entrepreneur if you are not innovative entrepreneur, right? We have drone entrepreneur and we have Fabian entrepreneur. What are Fabian entrepreneur? Which wait for any opportunity, right? And then they wait for that favorable opportunity and then work on it. Drone entrepreneur, they are suicidal again, which will keep on working on it, and they will die in the end because they do the business like Anil Ambani has done. Yes. Now I have the question. Okay. What are the research techniques and data collection methods for a new business? Okay. So what are see, we can do, one is the fact sheets that are available on the platform, the social media or the newspapers. So make a point, if you want to go into the business sector, read one business news daily, one business newspaper daily. Okay, that is going to help you. What are the upcoming sectors? What are sectors where you can invest, where the people are investing? So the investors also don't invest everywhere. Okay, if there is a boom in the education sector, maybe the people are going to do on the education. Cosmetics is one field again which is going on. Nykaa, we have seen, any other things we are seeing. So depending on that, we can do it from the secondary research and the primary research. Okay, one, you are depending on the data, and there are certain paid places also where we get the proper company reports. How do I know this has happened or this is not happened? So this is going to help us. Besides, I don't know how much many of you interested, but try to read the profit and loss statements of various companies where you're interested in. You know, if you're trying to be imitative kind of entrepreneur, and that is going to help you. So this I already said that innovation has a new product, a new method, a new market, or innovation can be any of these. Okay, even South Indian breakfast company has earned millions by having a vada which is having a hole inside it, and it's not only in domestic market but international market. Gulf has a very big. You need to search for the new place where we're going to do it, even if it's an old product. With your creativity and sustainable economics, you can always do that. Okay, these I've answered. Huh? There are other questions? Thank you, Supriya. Okay, now we'll go to the next slide.
Ma'am, few questions are there. One question from Udit. What are the research techniques and data collection method
primary,
for new
secondary,
business?
I answered to him. Read one newspaper daily. I answered that question.
Okay.
Yeah. Primary data, secondary data, newspaper, one business newspaper, even if it's not Economic Times, agar nahi samajh mein aa raha starting mein, no problem, go for any local newspaper. I'm telling you, start reading the business news. You will be able to understand what is happening in the society, you know. So give half an hour to reading the business newspaper, okay? And there are certain paid places also that I can tell you in the, you know, later on I'll share with you, where you can get the data about various countries, you know, if you want about the various platforms that are doing. If I wanted to do e-waste, I'm telling you, I wanted to start with the e-waste only. And I wanted to learn that what is e-waste or how is it done. So I did a very big data, you know, analysis out of it. So feasibility reports are there. Some of the feasibility reports will be available on the public domain and some of them are paid again. But again, getting a feasibility report will not lead you to any business. You need to go and do the feasibility yourself. This is the difference between a job and a business in an entrepreneurship. You yourself will create the feasibility of your own business. I need to create the feasibility of my own business. You need to create for you. But yes, previous feasibility reports will definitely help you that what all machines are required, what kind of labor is required if you're doing at all the you know, the capital intensive. Okay, so primary, secondary, newspapers, public platforms plus feasibility reports are definitely going to help. Now, if I talk about the self-employed, you know, that like some of them are architects, some of them are civil engineers, doctors, and even teachers there. So we can create, we are self-employed, right? And then self-employment can also create training to others. You can earn from it. What are the social media it is happening? You know, various business coaches, what are they doing these days? They have a good knowledge about, knowledge is very important. I'm telling you, students, without knowledge, you can't do anything. Knowledge is power. Read good books, analyze good books. Please put in your time. Last time also I said, read good books. It is going to help you a lot. So even Elon Musk reads books. Okay. So what you don't have to search that what do I have to read, you know, Rich Dad Poor Dad Pro. See that what Elon Musk is reading, go and read that. If you don't find out what I have to read. Okay, read something, but read daily. So have friendship, with these people. What do I mean by have friendship with people? You want to be an entrepreneur. Who should be your idol? Okay, Jeff Bezos is my idol. Or okay, Mark Zuckerberg is my idol. Or oh, Shraddha Sharma is my idol. I must see what is she doing, what is she reading in her 24 hours. Everyone has 24 hours. So read them. Read those books, and books will enhance you a lot. Okay. Wealth of Nations, very good book again. So read them. So what I wanted to tell you here, if you are having, so what are these people doing? They are creating a content, and then they're doing selling it at YouTube. They maybe they have these millions of subscriptions. But it is not, if I go to a place and if I post that photo over there, nobody's going to see. Like everybody goes to hundreds of millions of places. You'd have proper content out of it, and then you sell that content, because people will be glued to your content, because it will have something substance. If you're not talking substance, nobody will listen to you, but you can earn out of it, right? I'm just giving you one example that you can do that. If you're having good knowledge about somebody, maybe a very good in valuation, people are earning out of valuation. They charge per, you don't know what is valuation. So you go to a small company, a small startup owner who has done valuation for 50 other companies. So they are earning out of it. So you are honing all your skills. What does an entrepreneurship do? It's within an organization in which the risk is relatively small, the constraints are more, and you add value to your own division. Maybe DRDO will be an example to it. Okay, DRDO itself is an entrepreneurship which is happening within the larger frame of the defense organization. Okay, so where you are given certain chance. Okay, I joined somewhere, or you join somewhere as a business development manager. Okay, and in that business development manager is for the apparel section, and that apparel section needs to be launched at, say, Mumbai. Okay, so now you're having free hand to have the business development of that very place. You are an entrepreneur inside the entrepreneurship which is happening in that organization. You'll have to follow the rules of that organization, but you'll have a free hand on whom to target those customers, the kind of designs, the kind of dresses, or the kind of money you need to put in. Now, responsibility and accountability, again, note these two words, they come hand in hand. Okay, responsibility, I am responsible for a sales of 10 lakh rupees, say in 3 months. Okay, and then I'm getting XYZ amount of money out of it. And I'm given, say, 2 lakhs rupees for that. How do I'm accountable for spending that 2 lakh rupees for earning a sales of 10 lakh rupees. If you do these kinds of internships also, if you do these kinds of small things also, you'll be responsible for it. Any of the interview after you see, you will be responsible for it. For that sales of 10 lakh, for the money of 2 lakh, in which you're given a free hand, entrepreneur within an organization. Okay, I think your management teachers will tell you better. Okay, I'm just telling you my actual examples, what is happening. Entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. Now, entrepreneur is a person and entrepreneurship is a process. I'm an entrepreneur, and the way I am handling NutriMunchie will be a process. Entrepreneur is a creator. See, this is just to tell you, sometimes we have a confusion out of it. That's why I have taken the topic in analysis and seeding. ताकि आप सब लोग entrepreneurship करो. Okay, I really like entrepreneurs. So I want you to be an entrepreneur. All 98 of you, 98 are there, or 101 are there now, right? So all of you can be, in your space, you can be entrepreneurs. Doing small things, you can start that. Initiator is an entrepreneur, and the initiative that he or she takes will be the entrepreneurship. Motivator, we motivate people, every entrepreneur. And I'm telling you, clap on others' success. Please do that, I'm telling you. Don't ever be jealous of the fellow being, okay, he or she has done that, and you feel bad about it. It's all about the energies which are there in the environment. So as much as you feel good that your friend is successful over there, you transfer, you get those energies. So you be a motivator. Whatever is your experience, if I have failed somewhere, I'm telling you, if I have launched a 20 rupees packet in the beginning, which was not happening. I have burned certain cash in that. So I can tell to the next person, don't launch the healthy snacks and 20 rupees product, because 20 rupees wala customer is not at all looking for healthy snacks. They're looking for something fried. They're looking for something cheesy. Okay, so I learned from my mistakes, and I can tell it to anyone who is a budding entrepreneur in this field. There are n number of companies, again I said, which are doing healthy snacks. You will learn from your mistakes. I'm telling you, it is a never-ending process. You don't stop learning, and you need to learn. You will die if you remain stagnant. If the water is not flowing, even that, it has its own death. So keep learning, and keep learning. Any questions? Yes, UN Finance does help to business news. It does help. Drone and Fabian entrepreneurships by be same in any case or any exception. Drone and Fabian can't be same. Fabian type of entrepreneurs are taking calculated risk and are waiting for an opportunity to come. I may have, okay, my father is having a gold business and I am not going to the gold business in the beginning. I'm taking some time. I want to go into the jewelry section now. But I'm waiting for our proper time. I'm reading the news. I'm reading that, okay, आज gold का price ये हो गया या फिर अभी, you know, fancy jewelry का ये price है. So I'm waiting for an option. It's not a very new thing, having innovative jewelry, right? But yes, I'm having, you know, I have a very good designer or myself. I'm a very good designer, Fabian kind of person. But if I talk about the, you know, the drone kind of it, I'm having the manufacturing unit of my father. My father is running it, and I am not adding any innovation to it. I'm not adding to the product. I'm not adding to the machinery. I'm not adding to anything out of it. So I'm having a drone kind of it. It is a worst kind of entrepreneurship, I say. And as I said, it dies on its own because there are no new innovations or creativity over there. Fabian will wait for some time, do imitative kind of entrepreneurship, but do take an advantage of the opportunity and work. But drone will not bring anything new. They will keep on doing it for the sake. Many businesses have lost like this in this Corona times, COVID times, I'm telling you, because they have not done anything new into it. See, after certain age, I won't even blame them because it has been going on, right? They're getting their revenues, they're getting the labor paid, they're getting their own set of people. होता है ना कि we are take the example of any FMCG product. I'm telling you, even FMCG, a small rusk shop is there. Rusk we all eat with tea. So they won't bring any innovation. रस के सूजी रस के आटा रस के हम नहीं रस बना रहे नया because हमें पता है कि यूपी की this market we're going to cater no matter what. So, but अभी a new person come, okay, I have certain, you know, I add a certain maybe lychee flavor to it or something other flavor to it, and that's the people like it and they do it at the same cost, and the retailer are earning more margins out of it. तो अभी death हो गई पहले वाले रस factory की. So that's why drone is there. Fabian, I'm waiting for an opportunity. Drone will not do that. Hope I answered. Why doesn't it click in one go? Okay. Now steps in an entrepreneurship. Discovery is the most important thing. As I said, ambiguity, creativity, demographic search, market search. Take 21 days, 20 days, 1 year, sometime even 1 year. I'm not exaggerating when I'm saying 1 year. It may take you 1 year even to come to your idea. If you have the correct research inputs, you know, like conduct the surveys. Like I gave the example of mental apps. First of all, I should have a WordPress. I create a questionnaire, right? I create a questionnaire and float it to say 100 people who are my pilot for doing it. मैं पहले तो ऐप क्रिएट करने नहीं चली जाऊंगी, पहले मैं एक सर्वे करूंगी. I will do the survey in WordPress. I will do the survey on the demographic area. I will see that where the suicidal tendency of the people is more. I will see where there are more psychologists or psychiatrists in which area. US में इस समय there are maximum number of people who are earning, I must not use the word earning, but yes, they are really earning from the mental health of the of these people. So I need to see that what can be my market, and there are many people, many investors who have invested in this domain. But I can't develop an app just like that. I won't waste my money and create a website and create everything and circulate it. No, before that, I must do the survey. I must float a questionnaire. I must get some response. I must try to read some of the doctors, maybe friends and families. But are they? What kind of opinion? What is psychotherapy? What are psychotherapists? All those things should be there. Discovery is the first phase. Okay. Can I ask that how many people will raise their hand if I ask that how many of you want to be an entrepreneur?
Ma'am, your question is going to help me because I'll be taking their innovation and entrepreneurship subject.
so we must know at least, no, hum entrepreneurship sun to rahe, innovation pad to rahe, but do we really want to be an entrepreneur?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm giving you a few insights from the previous batches. Most of them are turned to be the drone entrepreneur because most of the students will be coming from business backgrounds. Achha, few are there who are Fabian and, you know, very innovative kind of person. Let's say 3 to 4 students we are getting as an entrepreneur every year. So this is happening with us, and in UP government and the central government, they are pushing the higher education institutions to
Yes.
promote the
Yes.
innovation and entrepreneurship culture.
Startup schemes is also giving a good thing, you know.
Yes,
Please,
ma'am.
all of you make. So, but the students, abhi to ek bhi haath nahi khada hua. Can you see the hand raised? I can't see. So
Ma'am, in starting, students have the perception, let's say they will be, they will be getting the jobs, right?
Their hands. I'm happy at least 6 participants. Ek ne hata bhi liya, 8 participants. Chalo, it's good. If you want to be an entrepreneur, now people are just going. See, very good. If you want, I'm
wonderful,
happy to hear that. Okay, but whatever you're doing it, I'm really happy and congratulations. At least you have taken the first step towards entrepreneurship. You know that you want to be an entrepreneur. Many people will not even realize it. They'll be in a dilemma whether I want to be an entrepreneur or not. So at least you realize it, start working on it, right? Read the newspapers, read those areas, and start working on something which can be measured.
Ma'am, very interesting insights are coming in the chat box. One student is saying that I love studying entrepreneurship and seeking one career in the field of entrepreneurship. It was a subject in the school. So students are having entrepreneurial mindset that we all need to develop.
Great.
And you are going to help us, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. I'm telling you, I'm very much it should come from you. That's it. And I whatever knowledge I have, I'm ready to give it. Knowledge is power. I'm telling you, in these days, knowledge is power. I also have mentors. My mentors have mentors. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
So teaching is something which, as I'm telling you, if you, I don't know how many of Brian Tracy, if you have heard, then, please hear to these people. And they are, Tony Robbins, hear to them. They are earning hell out of coaching and mentoring the business people only, the budding entrepreneurs only. But first of all, you should be very much sure. Nobody is going to tell you this idea is going to work. Huh? कोई भी अगर आपसे आपके ये कहता है ये idea पे काम कर लो, no. You should create the idea. Discovery, that's why I said discovery is the first point. Create what do you want to create. You should have the clarity out of it, okay? And does anybody I don't know, but last time students have shared with me, not here in Jaipur, but one the institute in Uttarakhand have shared. So would you like to share the idea, or you want to ponder over it? We'll do some competition kind of it. Okay, maybe by the time lecture ends, you can think over it or ponder over it, and we can have some good brainstorming. The first place, I'm telling you, in my college days, when I was doing my BTech, I used to tell my friends I want to do something of my own. What was the something? I never knew, I'm telling you. But I wanted to do something. One, I knew education hoga ya fir food hoga. Education ya fir food. Education ya fir food. For education, I always like interacting with people. That's why I had some of the academic experience also, I'm telling you. And education is one industry which is a growing industry at any point of time, old age, newborn, India, big population, do something in education, it is going to create wonders. Not today. Whenever we sow a seed, it doesn't happen in one day. We often wonder what has happened to a seed, okay? Small seedling, then a plant comes, and then after maybe 15 years, a tree comes. Don't go with the niche. Yes, some people have success in the beginning also. I'm not denying it. 3 years, 4 years, mein aapko benefits nahi mil sakte. You can get it. But even if it takes 5 years to you, 6 years to you, and you are having profit in the early stage, even if there are no investors in your company. Okay. See, investment is, you get investment, best thing. If you have capital from friends and families, and if you are reaping benefit out of it year after year, I forgot the name of the organization. Day before yesterday, I was having a CWE meet, which is by Tata's, and which is having one international platform also, where it was talked about that how this company never asked for any venture capitalists, any investment, and but they just having their profits, and suddenly they have become a unicorn. You know why? Because they always were in the profit. So you can do that ways as well. There are different versions to it. There is no end to it. You need to discover the business. Okay. Okay, so opportunity depends on, it can be very attractive, like COVID times. It can be timely. It needs to be durable. You can't do something for today, okay? When Facebook was started, it was not for that day. Facebook was for, we don't know how much time. But when WhatsApp came to it, when Instagram came to it, I'm not saying Facebook has totally gone. But yes, अभी ऐसा लगता है कि पुराने लोग Facebook कर रहे हैं और नए लोग सब Instagram में आ गए. The kind of updates that we used to get. Technology, Warren Buffett never invested in technology in the beginning. Many people are not doing it Bitcoin as well. There is a certain thing to it because technology always changes. So this also comes from business mindset. That's why I said, if you want to be very safe, education is one field which is never going to change. Education is going to remain, whatever is there. Okay, food is not going to change, whatever is there. I'm not technology. You need to upgrade yourself. In food, in education also, you need to upgrade yourself. You can't sit at one place ki mera super stockist aayega and is going to take the product out of me and I sit at my place happily. No, no, no. If other competitors are on various platforms, you need to be on those platforms. You need to do that. But look at the correct opportunity, look at the correct time, and then anchor the product, anchor your business ideas on those. So observe the trends. I said, your what can your startup do? It can observe the trend and do something which is happening in the trends, Now again, one business coach has told me that when you know that something is trendy, जब गृह शोभा में कोई चीज आ जाती, he told me it's become trendy. Why? Now even the women is talking of share market. Those who don't, I'm not criticizing any women who sit at home. I'm just telling you, when it goes from the share market, there are certain set of people which is happening in the bull market and the bear market. When even that bull market and bear market information is coming in Sarita, so you can understand the kind of customer which is there. Okay, the kind of customer which is penetrated over there. So it's become a trend. Even if you have 100 rupees saving, you need to see कि मैं किस company में डाल रही हूँ, right? So you are checking that. So you are observing the trends. Okay, maybe electric car. Now electric car, again, it can be solving problem also. Maybe I purchased my new Innova Crista. Okay, I purchased that car, but again I thought that I should have purchased an electric car because 10 years में तो ये diesel car है, it is not going to work for me anymore. So should I purchase an electric car? So should I do an innovation in electric cars business? I can do that always. Maybe I am a mechanical person or I am having some business background and I create something in the electrical car. Solving a problem, again, energy is there are various problems which are solved by, I'm telling you, like waste generations or helping in COVID times. COVID warriors have come up, even Sonu Sood has come up. So solving a problem can be your entrepreneurship mindset, and finding a gap. This is most talked about, the problem and the solution thing, which is talked in entrepreneurship. This will come in your business plan also. What is the problem that you are catering to in your entrepreneurship? Okay, if now not every business can be a problem solver also. Okay, why so? Some business can be problem solver and some business cannot be problem solver. Can anybody tell me how some business need not be problem solver every time, anytime? Any answers? Anything in the chat box? How some business may not always be problem solver? Anything? How some business cannot be answer solver, but still they do a great business? How so? Any answer? They can chat they can write in the chat box. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, they're writing. They're writing in the chat box. Sin good.
Sun good business. Sun good business means?
Sin good, ma'am.
Any business? Maybe they have a plan to which they stick to. Problem solving. I'm asking, generally in a business plan, you need to tell that what problem are you solving. How some business may not solve a problem and still do a business. Like jewelry business, old school business. Okay, good answer, right? So you can say, is it solving a problem? I'm telling you, jewelry is again one thing which is not solving the problem. Very good answer. Even food is such sector. Is it that anybody is okay? Hungry is another thing. But yes, if I called about the health sector, yes, that was a problem. I say in my starting line, obesity and malnutrition both are the problem in our country. Even if the rich people, they don't know what to give to their children. We give fried foods or we give something or the other. So obesity, our children are obese, and malnutrition again is a problem in our country. So I'm solving a problem, I say that. But yes, jewelry business may not be a pressing problem. Cosmetics again. But yes, okay, let me go to the spiritual side of it. I mean, I may amalgamate something, but yes, it happens. Looking beautiful or doing something which is on those sides are again very much where we don't think. See, sometimes we just spend money just for the or have that's why the cosmetic business is doing so good. There is a lot of investment in the cosmetic business also. So they may not solve a problem, but they can be very good profit margins over there. So if somebody is doing that, do that. Niche market. Niche market, okay. Any elaboration on that, Ranjay? What do you mean by niche market? Niche market will be a problem solver generally. We are Louis Vuitton के bags हम ले रहे हैं या फिर BMW हम अगर if we are traveling something, niche market is that kind of market. They have their own class symbols which are doing that, right? And we can say that. So good. I think it's happening in a, you are having some brainstorming sessions हो रहा है, and I think I'm motivating some of you want to be an entrepreneurship now, right? Plunging into entrepreneurship, right? So you solve a problem or you observe a trend, or so whenever you move in the market next time, so you're going to see that what can be my entrepreneurship. Okay, now you discovered something, so you are going to develop your concept out of it. As we said, jewelry, I have money, I have gold, or I have something which is related to electric cars, or I have something related to mental patient. I'm going to write down my objective statement that yes, this will be my objective. How is that objective statement written? Developing a business plan, we'll take it in the after some time, because let these things be clear. Objective is very important. No, jewelry market. What is that set of market? Is it online jewelry, offline jewelry? What do we call it? The designer jewelry, or maybe ornamental jewelry, or maybe, what is my objective statement? Who am I going to cater? Mission statement, vision statement. Seeing a vision is very important. The picture starts from the end here. As I said, I need to have a goal that yes, I need to have 50 crores within 5 years of the establishment of my company. So 50 crores, how many packets of chips do I need to sell every month? Every month, at what places? Every week, how much team do I need to have? I need to break down at each and every point. Unless and until I have a vision. And I'm telling you, so that's why I told you ki here to Brian Tracy, or here to Tony Robbins, or here to all the motivation speakers. The bigger is your vision, the bigger is the thing that you demand in this universe, the bigger is what you're going to achieve. The bigger is your plan. If I'm saying, okay, 10 lakhs, I'm happy. I'm not saying again 10 lakh is wrong. Okay, every number is good. Start from somewhere. Okay, but 10 लाख आपने टारगेट किया था, 8 लाख भी अचीव कर रहे हो, गुड है, विद प्रॉफिट के साथ, ठीक है, बट आप कहीं शुरुआत कर रहे हो, ठीक है. So write down your objective statements today itself. Those 10 people who have said about the objective that they want to be an entrepreneur, write down their your objective statements, and write down what will be your target segments, your target sectors, your target people, and you can always do that. So we discovered something and we had a resourcing. Very important again. I don't have the money. My father was an irrigation engineer, so he don't have the money. He can't give me, or I'm having a family to sustain. So maybe I need to apply for loans. Now there is one thing which is called revenue-based financing, which has also come up these days. In revenue-based financing, depending on the revenues, you get loans for the for every month or every year, and they don't take the equity out of you. Okay, they will share the revenue. So even if you have profit or even if you have loss, they are going to sustain you. So RBF is the short form, revenue-based financing. Do hear out of it, but yes, you should always have a good plan. And one term which is called seed funding. As I said, for germination of a seed, we require certain things. No, so similar to the seed funding, which is maybe 50 lakhs to 1 crore. That will be a small amount. There are certain for students. There are various incubators also which are there, where you can work about. Accelerators are there, where you can work upon, in which you can have your idea, you can see whether it's feasible or not, and you can work on it. So resources is another important factor. And the economic part of it, we call either the company as bootstrap. Bootstrap is, now one is self-finance. I worked for 15 years. I use my money, and that was self-finance. If I say bootstrap, my family, my friends, they help me in using that money. If I say crowdfunding for a motivational cause like Sonu Sood, maybe he was doing it, or maybe I say that many of the people who are suffering from cancers, many of the organizations are doing that. They're having crowdfunding. Now we have venture capitalists. Venture capitalists are those people who are going to invest in my business, and then they are going to help me. But yes, we need to have a proper exit plan. What is an exit plan? That comes at a very later stage. They will see that if they have put in 1 crore rupees during the first year, after 5 years, what is the value of their company, and how much is the share price which is increased for per unit of share. So you need to have proper resourcing for that. Now resourcing is what? पैसा तो आ गया, but that money is not yours. Okay, that money is for the company. Please differ your being an entrepreneur and your entrepreneurship as two different. That money is company's money, and you need to see that how you're going to use that for the finance of the company, for the various cost heads that are going to. Direct cost will be there, indirect cost will be there, capex cost, this cost will be there, Working capital cost will be there. So you need to divide it among different cost heads. So I think some of you will be aware and some of you will come to know about it. What is the working capital cost? So whenever you have a mission statement or you get even a पैसा मिलने के बाद मुझे क्या करना है? Maybe my father can itself finance it, but what do I do with that finance or how do I use it? Do I invest it in the capital? Do I invest it in marketing? Do I invest it? Where do I invest it? I need to see it. Actualization, yes, after you got the money, after you got the proper team, you got the resources, your idea is great, you've done the sampling, सब कुछ हो चुका है, and then you start working on your goals. As I said, financial projections, you'll have revenue model. Revenue model may be monthly, it may be quarterly. The venture capitalists or the seed funding, whoever doing it, they may ask you, what is the overhead cost? How many people do I require? Even if I'm doing a telecall, okay, I have a good jewelry business. If I take the example of jewelry, or if I take NutriMunchi, I need one telecaller daily who does 100 calls. Out of those 100 calls, 20 or maybe 10 calls are good, fruitful calls who are going to get me some business out of it, right? So what will be the overhead cost? I need one vendor who is going to go to say 10 shops and going to put my product over there and need to see it repeatedly. So fixed cost and variable cost. My lamination cost is fixed cost. My variable cost, my raw material prices is fluctuation. I need to see that. Capex, am I investing in my office structure or am I investing in my manufacturing unit? Is the Capex cost. So you need to have, as I said, you will have the feasibility report. You'll have the amount which is being spent over there, but you will create your own business. Take the example of even cake. You will have certain money. At what price you are putting that cake is going to get you profits. Raw material cost, fixed cost. Oven purchase करना पड़ेगा ना. Oven की भी तो एक cost होगी, right? And then raw material cost is going to, and then it just should be delicious, huh? It should be a good cake. That comes at competition. Competition is a very you are जो भी whoever are present over there, you are competitor to each other also. I'm telling you, you need to accept the fact, and you need to have edge above the others. USP. USP is what? What is USP?
Yeah, Mamta ma'am, can you please check the message? I have dropped you on your number. I have dropped, ma'am.
Yes. So you need to have a yeah. Sure. Okay. Yes. So everyone will have a USP. USP is what? Unique selling proposition. So what is the USP in your product? What is the USP of your product, right? You need to say that. Okay. Okay. So whenever my email ID is mn@nutrimunchi.com. Okay. mn@nutrimamtanegi@nutrimunchi.com. And maybe I have something there. So I need to know that what is your business idea. Okay. And let me have an objective statement and a mission statement and a target place for your own entrepreneur idea that you have. Can you do that? Out of 101 में से 93 present है. So out of the students who are present over there and whoever is interested, let me make it more thing related to your business idea or to whatever you're doing it. And then you can mail to Sheetal ma'am or you can mail to me. And then we can see that how we can, go forward with the upcoming thing. There are certain about the business plan creation. There are something in which, we can create those on Excel sheets, those overhead costs, those fixed costs, variable costs, depending on the business plan that you have. So don't create a business plan, or if you go that much ahead, it's even better. But at least have a mission statement, a vision statement, and then a set of customers, target customers that you think, certain set of preposition questions that you can make. Mail it to Sheetal ma'am or mail it to me, and then we go forward out to there. Is it okay?
This is the first thing, ma'am, we are going to do in this semester only. There is one subject, project, mini project.
Nice. Very nice. So any questions, really any questions that you have, or we can have the questions in the chat box or in the mail if you want. And
Yes.
then you can tell me if anything that you would like to know or understand from me to make it more interactive.
The students, any questions? Actually, ma'am, you make the session so interesting.
I hope I just, I mean, I don't need too much talk. This is my mail ID. So you
Yeah,
can mail me, okay? Mail
I'll be
to ma'am. I think mail through ma'am. That way better.
facilitating the ideas, which will be the compelling one. I'll be surely forwarding to Mamta Negi, ma'am, for validation.
Yeah.
Will it be fine, ma'am?
Yeah. Please do that.
And
I'll
due
also
to
learn from the students. We always learn from our kids.
ma'am,
Right?
in next session, or let's say you will be in our campus, we will be inviting you for interaction. That will be,
Sure.
I think.
I'll be happy.
And time will not be a limitation for sure. Now the time is very scarce. Some other meeting is in line. That's why.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for the opportunity, for the platform. And I hope I answered all your things. And anything else is there, please do mail. Okay. Take care.
Yeah. Vanshika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Okay. I would like to pay a sincere thanks to Mrs. Mamta Negi for sparing her valuable time and sharing with us and giving all the valuable inputs. Starting from the definition of entrepreneur in different senses of economist, psychologist, sociologist, management, by giving wonderful examples such as Apple, Ambani's. Then she told about the various theories such as economic theory, psychological theory, social theory, and the amalgamation of opportunities and resources, and seed funding too. Giving very useful advice on business plan. Thank you so much, ma'am, for explaining very beautifully the types of entrepreneurs with giving examples such as Mamaearth, giving light on IPO by taking example of Zomato. Thank you, ma'am, for explaining such wonderfully by relating your brand NutriMunchie and do letting us know the difference between entrepreneur and entrepreneur. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a session full of valuable insights for all of us. Hope you will be guiding us in future entrepreneurs too. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are on mute.
Yeah. Thank you so much, and all the best to all of you for a very great session ahead. Do well, rock well, study well, and please do read good books apart from the subject books. They are very important again.
Have the
Do
list
read
of the books you
whatever you are
mentioned.
given by the teachers, but do read. Apart from that, do read 20 pages daily, but do read. I recommend to every one of you. Do that. Okay. All the best. Do good. Bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Bye, ma'am.